Have you guys seen Odoo's new PDF quote functionality? Just in case you haven't, let me walk you through what it can do real quick. It's pretty cool. So this, as you can see, is a demo. But what's really cool about this PDF builder is that we can take beautiful PDFs like this and stick placeholders in to be filled in by ODOO. This allows us to send customized PDFs of any sort, any shape, any design to our customers. And we can do that by sales order, and we can even have certain PDFs that send depending on the products that are on their order. So if we have support materials we want included, that's easy now. So I'm going to walk you through where to add these PDFs so that they're there, and then I'm going to show you how to customize these so that they're tailored to the sales order, meaning that specific customer, and also to the product. So let's first look at our header and footer pages. So we can go into settings, and then up here in the search we can type header, and that's going to bring up our quotations and orders where we can set our header pages and our footer pages. Let's go ahead and download this real quick and look at it. So this looks a bit different because it's just the container. We don't have the quotation number and we don't have the customer either. But we can see the rest of this is static. All the nice pictures and all the information that we wanted to provide to the customer. Anyway, popping back, you can switch these out by clicking the little pencil and uploading your own documents here. Now for the PDFs that are specific to a product. So for that, we're going to come out to the main page. We're going to type products. Then we're going to look at our acoustic block screen because that's the example that ODOO has given us. We're going to come in here and we want to go to documents. Once in here, we can upload documents and then we can set them to appear inside our quote PDF. And we can only really have one of these show up inside the quote. So we can switch this to on quote to show in the portal, or on confirmed order to only show in the portal when the order is confirmed. Okay, so now we've gone over where you need to put these. Let me show you how to create one for yourself. So first you need to create your fancy PDF. And I'm sorry, I'm not a design expert, so I can't tell you how to make something fancy. But once you have your fancy PDF, we want to open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro. And if someone has a free program that can do this, if you could drop that in the description below to help everybody out, that would be great. I tried to find one and I couldn't. Okay. So now we need to go over to all tools here and we want to go ahead and prepare a form. And we'll just go ahead and create the form. Now we can start adding text fields for the information that we're pulling out of ODOO. The important piece to this is once we've added the text field, we need to come over here, right click, and go to properties. That'll bring up this window and we really need to pay attention to the name here. Now, ODOO has given us some documentation, which I'll reference in the description below, that tells us how we set up these dynamic text values. So for this, the name is going to give us the sales order reference. The customer name is going to be this fun guy right here. And then if we want stuff off of the product, that's a little bit further down. Now I know you probably want to be able to add custom values here, and I haven't quite figured that out yet. So once I do, I'll post a video. But sorry about that. You're stuck with these for right now. So we want the sales order name. So we're going to grab name. And then we're going to come back to our PDF. Right click, go to properties, and replace text 11 or whatever it is in name with name. Close. And then go ahead and save that. Now we're going to come back into ODOO, go to our settings. And then we're going to type header so that we can find that. Go ahead and click the pencil right here. Grab your file. Okay, save that, and then we're going to reprint that sales order PDF and see what we get. So we're going in and go to print PDF quote, and now you can see, although it's pretty tiny, we've got our sales order number right where that text box was. Now, like I said, I'm not very talented with design, but we could right click this, go to properties, and if we want to change the appearance, we can do that here too. So we can set this font size as high as we want. We could go 80 and it'd be huge. And we can change the font and the text color and make it super pretty. So that's really all there is to it. I'm excited to see what you guys do with this. If you have any cool things that you've done, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. As always, if you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you have something a little bit more involved and need some one-on-one time, book a slot on my Calendly. But thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.